In primetime news this evening,
The race is on. RJ Arglina Don Anderson polls show narrowing gap between two major political parties. Quarantined. Authorities fight to control scabies outbreak among inmates at Cameron Farm Detention Center. And top-level meeting to discuss protocols for tourism industry as Jamaica braces for COVID-19. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, we've been monitoring oil prices on the global market, and it has suffered its biggest decline since the 1991 Gulf War. But let's segue to Jamaica. Are we benefiting from the reduction? I'll have more on that in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen, who tells us what's coming up in sports. Karen.
Well, Herman, COVID-19 fears dominate the field of sports as well, and I will tell you where there's most concern later in the package.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. In light of the global outbreak of the coronavirus, do you believe the government should temporarily ban cruise ships?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.